I'll be starting off today's DIY project using Dollar Tree trays and parchment paper. With the parchment paper, I'm just going to cut a little sheet and trace out the shape of the tray on top of it. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw lines that are all going to meet in the middle. I tried my best to make sure that all the lines are being connected and join them together so that they all stay in one piece when it's dry. I'm making this as thick as possible so that when it's dry, I will be able to lift it up without it falling apart. After some few minutes, it was dry and this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to take this out and spray paint it gold. I waited for this to dry and then I brought it inside. I'm going to keep this aside for now, and then these trays here will be marked where I will be making my cuts. I'll be cutting two sides on each tray, and one is going to be small and the other is going to be larger.
If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos.
Now that I have my trays already cut to the way I want them to be, I'm going to glue them together like this, using a strong adhesive and hot glue. This side here is the smaller side that was cut, and while the other side is much wider. I'll be using the bigger cutout pieces to make the base for the tray. I'll be attaching them together like this. This is super strong the way it is. Now I'm going to use a strong adhesive and hot glue to attach the two pieces together. Now I'm going to be gluing on the design that I made to the tray. I'm going to cut off this part here. I'm going to make the lower part of the design to flow with the shape that's at the bottom. I made 2 of this hot glue design, and I attached the second one at the back. This is a vase that's a lovely gift idea. Now the second gift idea is going to be a mirror that's going to have the same design. I'm going to use a foam board and cut out the shape that I want for my mirror design. I'll cover up the borders of the board with mirror reflective paper. I'll be using the same parchment paper, but this time around drawing lines that I'll be making my design on. I'm going to keep going around to make sure that this is thick enough so that it doesn't fall apart when I'm trying to lift it up when it's dry. Now I'm going to take these out and spray paint them gold. I'm going to be gluing on the mirror to the board. I arranged the hot glue design pieces on the borders, and it wasn't giving me the contrast that I was looking for, so I decided to change the entire frame for the mirror to black. And I used black contact paper. Now that I have a dark background, I'm going to go ahead and start gluing on my pieces to the mirror and the board too as well to make sure that they all stay in place. I would have loved to leave my tray like this, as it's transparent, but I decided to just go ahead and spray paint the inside black so that it would go with the mirror. I used a black spray paint inside. Now here's what both items look like together. I would strongly suggest taking time to take off the glue strings using maybe your hair dryer just so that it doesn't mess up the entire look of the design. I did my best to remove as much as I could, but then I'm pleased with the way the design turned out at the end of the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.